Hello buddy, today we're recording my 2001, I think, Aloha racing fan. Well, I'm actually not sure what it is, but I got it at a thrift store and it was only $20 and I was like, what the hell is that? Because it looked like a home trend ceiling fan, but then it turned out to be an Aloha Breeze. So, yeah, it's reversible from, I think, walnut to just regular oak. Came 100% complete, just missing the screws and the pull chains. But yeah, I got this for really childhood reasons. I mean, I didn't have them, but these just remind me of like what you would see in the 2000s and just the generic ass houses. But yeah, I'm gonna keep the light on for this one. It's a really loud fan. Like, it's not quiet at all. But it does actually blow a decent amount of air. Kind of hear it. I can actually feel like a breeze from this currently. I'm not directly under it either. I'm kind of a little bit far away from it. Kind of here. I think it's a globe. See, it's actually not that bad of like not that slow of a fan. I personally think these are like, they may be cheap fans, but I think they're like actually not that bad. I think they're pretty good for what they are. I'm pretty sure these were sold for like $20 back in the day. I would rather have this 100 times over than a Littleton, just like a modern day Littleton, not the 90s or 2001, but a modern day Littleton. I would rather have this. I think these came in white as well, maybe polished brass. I think I think white and polished, not like white and polished brass, but like white and also it came in polished brass. I had like 3 finishes these came in. They might have also came in probably like a brushed nickel color, since the home trend actually mainstays, because there was a mainstays that looked exactly like this, but just different blades and different irons. Which was, I don't even remember what it was called, but yeah. Reverse it. This one, when I got it, it had decent bearings, surprisingly, because usually when I get fans, they don't really have the best of the bearings, but this one did, surprisingly. It goes a little bit slower than, actually nah, it just took a little bit to get up to speed. It's slowly getting up to speed. have no idea where the tag is. It's probably on this. Nice. It's not gonna work, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a good day.